Hello guys, happy Saraswati Puja to you all. This is my spoken English channel, spoken English tutorial, which is meant for all the students, all those who are interested to speak English properly like a native English speaker. We will try to learn them, we'll try to train them how they will speak English in a proper way, in a proper pronunciation, as the native English speakers say. In this channel, we will try our best to make you understand the intricacies, the art of spoken English in a proper way, so that you will be confident enough to talk to anyone in English in a very simple and lucid style. You know guys, it's a fear psychosis that surrounds all of us, even the learned, the most educated persons, even the students, to speak a few words in English because they fear that they might go wrong while talking to another. So this is a fear psychosis. If you try to learn the exact way of pronunciation, you will never feel ashamed to talk to or speak English in a proper way. Spoken English tutorial channel, we will try to teach you how exactly you can pronounce English phonetically. You will know the basics of phonetic transcriptions, phonemes, how the English words, the vocabularies are spelled in a proper way. Tutorial channel will thoroughly deal with vocabulary, with one word substitution, with grammar. Of course, grammar, we will teach you grammar in a later stage, but we will give emphasis on the exact pronunciation of English language. One word substitution, synonyms, antonyms, homophones, homonyms, acronyms. The whole lot of things will be taught to you. If you stay tuned to Spoken English tutorial channel, then you will come to know how we try to teach you the spoken English as the natives speak in their countries, in their English language. Consists of A to Z, 26 alphabets, and each alphabet has a different type of pronunciation. A is sometimes pronounced as A, at times A, at times A. The alphabets of English from A to Z are spoken in a different way. A, B, C, D, E. These are spoken in a different way. We'll try to learn you the different techniques of pronunciation concerned with these alphabets. Like, the common problem is most students, most learned persons do not pronounce how F is pronounced. They say F. It is not F. This is F. There is Sa and Sha problem also. Like transmission, we say transmission. This is not transmission. This is transmission. Intonation. So Sa and Sha. So this is the common mistakes of non-native speakers. We will train you how these problems you will come over confidently. Guys, today's tutorial class, a very short one. Later stages, in coming days, we will try to make you learn about the pronunciation, how spoken English can be dealt with properly, with transcription and everything. So stay tuned to Spoken English tutorial channel and try to share this channel to at least one of your friends, so that those who are in need of learning a spoken English tutorial program, they will come to know, from where we can learn exact pronunciation of English letters or English words. So please try to do this. This is our first class. Later on, we will start in a more different way and more thoroughly. Stay tuned to our Spoken English tutorial channel. Happy Saraswati Puja again. Thank you very much.